At Karndean Designflooring, we design for life.
And we are committed to integrating sustainability into everything that we do.
Through Karndean Evolve, we have 6 key focus areas.
We use these focus areas to ensure that sustainability is an integral part of our product development and operations, our staff well-being, and our responsibility to our suppliers and customers.
Our factories share in our ethos of positive staff health and well-being, as well as our environmental drive of reducing emissions to meet our science-based targets, generating and utilizing renewable energy, and using resources sustainably.
To monitor and continually improve performance and standards, we conduct regular factory audits using the CDEX framework, checking on safety procedures, staff welfare, working conditions, and environmental performance.
Confronting climate change is key throughout our supply chain. From manufacturing to shipping, and across our global offices, every stage of our product's life cycle is assessed for its environmental impact,
helping us identify how to lower emissions and use resources more responsibly.
Our values are present in our workplaces, as well as within the manufacturing process.
From electric vehicle charging points to regular equity, diversity, and inclusivity meetings and well-being sessions,
these choices reflect a deeper purpose, fostering places where people feel supported, respected, and empowered.
Education and the sharing of information is at the heart of Karndean Evolve, for our teams and the people we work with.
It's how we grow together, ensuring every decision is guided by insight, care, and purpose.
The long-term goal is to create a fully circular process, but we are already recycling waste material created as part of our manufacturing and installation processes.
And in Australia, we are a member of Resoloop, an industry-led initiative designed to move resilient flooring towards a circular future.
Our UK sample return programme reduces unnecessary landfill waste by keeping samples moving in a continuous loop, out to customers, back to us, and then out to another customer. From the people that are involved at every stage,
to the homes and commercial spaces that our products transform,
we continue to evolve for the promise of a better tomorrow.